Good morning, students. Today's topic is differential equations reducible to homogeneous form. In previous class, we will discuss homogeneous differential equations. Now, in this, we are discussing differential equations reducible to homogeneous form. So, if the differential equation is of the form dy by dx equal to ax plus by plus c by a dash x plus b dash y plus c dash, it can be reduced to homogeneous differential equation as follows. By putting small x equal to capital X plus h and small y equal to capital Y plus k, where capital X and capital Y are new variables and small h and small k are constants. So, the differential equation dy by dx equal to ax plus by plus c by a dash x plus b dash y plus c dash. If it can be in the form, then this equation can be reducible to homogeneous form. So, by putting small x equal to capital X plus h and small y equal to capital Y plus k. So, here x and y are variables and h and k are constants. Then differentiation of x dx equal to capital Dx and dy equal to dy. Now let us see some problems on this. First problem, solve 2x plus y minus 3 into dy equal to x plus 2y minus 3 into dx. Solution, the given differential equation is, so it can be written as dy by dx equal to x plus 2y minus 3 by 2x plus y minus 3. So this equation is in the form of ax plus by plus c by a dash x plus b dash y plus c dash, where a equal to 1, b equal to 2, c equal to minus 3 and a dash equal to 2, b dash equal to 1 and c dash equal to minus 3. So that this differential equation can be reduced to homogeneous form by putting small x equal to capital X plus h and small y equal to capital Y plus k. Now, substituting these values in equation 1, we get x equal to capital X plus h, then dx equal to d capital X and dy equal to d capital Y. So, substituting these values in equation 1, dy by dx equal to small x equal to capital X plus h plus 2 into capital Y plus k minus 3 by 2 into capital X plus h plus y plus k minus 3. So this can be written as capital terms, that is x plus 2y plus h plus 2k minus 3. So variables in 1 and constants, x plus 2k minus 3 by 2x plus y plus 2h plus k minus 3. So this is equation number 2. So we choose small h and small k such that, so these values h plus 2k minus 3 equal to 0 and 2h plus k minus 3 equal to 0. So this is equation number 3 and this is equation number 4. Now solving these equations for small h and small k values, that is 2h plus, so multiplying equation 3 with 2 and subtracting in equation 4 from equation 4, that is 2h plus 4k minus 6 equal to 0, 2h plus k minus 3 equal to 0. So by subtracting 2h to h get cancelled, 4k minus k is 3k, 6 minus into minus plus, so 3 minus 6 is minus 3, that equal to 0. So that we get 3k minus 3 equal to 0, then k equal to 1. So substituting these value, k value in equation 3, we get h plus 2k minus 3 equal to 0, that is h plus 2 into k value is 1 minus 3. So h plus 2 minus 3 is minus 1, then h equal to 1. So here we are getting the values h equal to 1 and k equal to 1. Now substituting these h and k values in equation 2, that is dy by dx equal to x plus 2y plus h value 1 plus 2 into k 1 minus 3 by 2x plus y plus 2h 2 into 1 plus k1 minus 3, that is, so here 1 plus 3, 3 minus 3, 0, 3 minus 3 is also 0, then we get x plus 2y by 2x plus y. This is equation number 5. Next, small x equal to capital X plus h. Then small x equal to x plus h value is 1. Then capital X equal to x minus 1. And small y equal to capital Y plus k value is 1. Then small y equal to capital Y plus 1. Then capital Y equal to y minus 1. So putting capital Y equal to small v into capital X. Now putting capital Y equal to small v into x in equation 5. So substituting capital Y equal to Vx in equation 5, we get. So from this, dy by dx equal to small v plus x into dv by dx. So that v plus x into dv by dx equal to x plus 2y by 2x plus y. So v plus x into dv by dx equal to x plus 2. So now we are substituting capital Y equal to small v into x, 2x plus v into x. So that x into dv by dx equal to, taking capital X common, 1 plus 2v. Here also taking capital X common, 2 plus v. So x get cancelled. So this plus v minus v. So capital X into dv by dx equal to, by taking LCM, 2 plus v, 1 plus 2v minus by 1. Here we have v by 1. 1 into 2 plus v is 2 plus v. 2 plus v into v. So 2 into v minus 2v. v into v minus v square. So here plus 2v minus 2v get cancelled. Therefore x into dv by dx equal to 1 minus v square by 2 plus v. Now separating the variables, v variables one side and x variables another side, that is 2 plus v by 1 minus v square into dv equal to 1 by x into dx. Now resolving into partial fractions. So resolving this term into partial fractions, we get 1 by 2 into 1 plus v plus 3 by 2 into 1 minus v into dv equal to 1 by x dx. Now by integrating we get, taking 1 by 2 as common, integral of 1 by 1 plus v into dv plus 3 by 2 taking common, 1 by 1 plus 1 minus v into dv equal to integral of 1 by x dx plus log c. So here log c is the integrating constant. So integral of 1 by 1 plus v into dv is 1 by 2 into log of 1 plus v minus, so here we have minus v, so that minus 3 by 2 into log of 1 minus v equal to log x plus log c. So taking 1 by 2 as common, log of 1 by 1 plus v minus log of 1 minus v. 3 can be written as cube equal to log, so it is in the form of log a plus log b, log a into b, that is log x into c. 1 by 2 into, so it is in the form of log a minus b, log a by b. So 1 plus v by 1 minus v whole cube. So 1 by 2 into log of 1 plus v by 1 minus v whole cube equal to log xc. Then log of 1 plus v by 1 minus v whole cube equal to, taking 2 this side, to log xc. So this can be written as log xc whole square. So now both sides log get cancelled. So both sides log get cancelled. 1 plus v by 1 minus v whole cube equal to xc whole square. Now putting small v equal to capital Y by x. 1 plus capital Y by x, 1 minus y by x whole cube equal to x square c square. So by taking LCM x plus y by x and x minus x cube minus y cube by x cube equal to x square c square. So here x get cancelled. X plus y by x into x cube by x cube minus y cube equal to x square c square. So here x get cancelled, x square get cancelled. So remaining x plus y by x cube minus y cube equal to c square. then x plus y equal to c square into x cube minus y cube. So that x plus y equal to c square into x cube minus y cube is the general solution of the given problem. So this is general solution. Next let us see another problem. 2x minus y plus 1 into dx plus 2y minus x minus 1 into dy equal to 0. So this equation can be written as dy by dx equal to 2x minus y plus 1 by 2y minus x minus 1 equal to 0. This is equation number 1. Now putting small x equal to capital X plus h and small y equal to capital Y plus k in equation 1. Then dx equal to dx, dy equal to dx. So small dy by dx equal to capital dy by dx plus 2 into small x equal to capital X plus h minus y plus k plus 1 by 2 into y plus k minus x plus h minus 1. That implies dy by dx plus 2x minus y plus 2h minus k plus 1, 2y minus x, 2k minus h minus 1. So this is equal to 0. This is equation number 2. So now choosing the values h and k such that 2h minus k plus 1 equal to 0, 2k minus h minus 1 equal to 0. This is equation 3. This is equation number 4. Now solving these two equations for h and k values. Now multiplying equation 4 with 2 and adding it with equation 3. So 3 plus 4 into 2. 2h minus k plus 1 multiplying equation 4 with 2. That is 2 into 2 4. 4k minus 2h minus 2 equal to 0. Here adding these two values get cancelled. 2h minus 2h. Minus k plus 4k is 3k. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Then k equal to 1 by 3. Now substituting k equal to 1 by 3 in equation 3. That is 2h minus 1 by 3 plus 1 equal to 0. Then 2h plus, by taking LCM, 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. So 2h plus 2 by 3 equal to 0. Then 2h equal to minus 2 by 3. Then h equal to minus 1 by 3. So here we are getting h equal to minus 1 by 3 and k equal to plus 1 by 3 value. Now substituting these values in equation 2 we get. Now substituting h equal to minus 1 by 3 comma k equal to 1 by 3 in equation 2. dy by dx plus 2x minus y by 2y minus x. So this is h value 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3. So this value getting 0 and this value also getting 0. So that we get dy by dx plus 2x minus y by 2y minus x equal to 0. Then dy by dx equal to minus of 2x minus y. So here taking minus as common, that is x minus 2. So here minus get cancelled. Dy by dx equal to 2x minus y by x minus 2y. This is equation number 5. Now putting y equal to capital Y equal to small vx in equation 5. Then dy by dx equal to v plus x into dv by dx. So here v plus x into dv by dx equal to 2x minus, here capital Y equal to v into x by x minus 2v into x. So here taking x as common, 2 minus by v, and here also in the denominator also we are taking x as common, 1 minus 2v. Then x into dv by dx equal to 2 minus v by 1 minus 2v minus v. Then by taking LCM 1 minus 2v, 2 minus v, v into 1 minus 2v is minus v plus 2v square. So that x into dv by dx equal to 2v square minus 2v plus 2 by 1 minus 2v. Now taking 2 as common, v square minus v plus 1 by 1 minus 2v. That is x into dv by dx equal to 2 into v square minus v plus 1 by 1 minus 2v. Now separating the variables, we get 1 minus 2v by v square minus v plus 1 into dy. V variables one side and x variables another side. That is 2 by x into dx. Then by integrating we get. So here taking minus common from numerator, that is minus 2v minus 1 by v square minus v plus 1 into dv equal to integral of 2 by x dx plus log c. Now taking this minus this side, so 2 into integral of 1 by x dx plus integral of 2v minus 1 by v square minus 1 v plus 1 into dv equal to log c. So here v square minus v plus 1, by differentiating it we get 2v minus 1. So in the numerator, so that this is integral of 1 by x dx formula is log x. So it can be written as log of v square minus v plus 1. So this is 2 into log x equal to log c. So log of v square minus v plus 1 plus, so 2 can be written as x square, log x square equal to log c. So it is in the form of log a plus log b. Log a plus log b can be written as log a into b, that is log of v square minus v plus 1 into x square equal to log c. V square minus v plus 1 into x square equal to, both sides log get cancelled, v square minus v plus 1 into x square equal to c. Now putting small v equal to capital Y by x, that is y by x whole square minus y by x plus 1 into x square equal to c square. Now taking LCM, x square, so here we get y square. So here x into x, x square, 1x is there, so minus xy plus x square into x square equal to c square. So here x square get cancelled, y square minus xy plus x square equal to c square. Then from small x equal to capital X plus h, small x equal to capital X minus 1 by 3, then capital X equal to x plus 1 by 3, and small y equal to capital Y plus k, then small y equal to y plus k value is 1 by 3, then capital Y is equal to y minus 1 by 3. Then substituting these two values in this equation, that is y square is y minus 1 by 3 whole square minus x plus 1 by 3, y is y minus 1 by 3 plus x square, x plus 1 by 3 whole square equal to c square. So it is in the form of a minus b whole square, a square plus b square. So a square is y square, b square is 1 by 3 whole square is 1 by 9 minus 2ab. So 2y into 1 by 3, 2 by 3 y minus, so x into y, xy, x into 1 by 3 minus x by 3, 1 by 3 into y, y by 3, plus into minus 1 by 9 plus. So it is in the form of a plus b whole square, x square plus 1 by 9 plus 2 by 3x equal to c square. By simplifying this, taking 1 by 9 as common, 9y square plus 1 minus 6y minus 9xy minus 3x plus 3y minus 1 plus 9x square plus 1 plus 6x equal to c square. Then 9x square plus 9y square minus 9xy plus 9x minus 9y plus 3 equal to, so taking this 9 this side, 9c square, that is, so taking 9 common, x square minus xy plus y square plus x minus y plus 1 by 3 equal to c square, which is the general solution of given problem. Next, let us see another problem. 2x plus 4y plus 3 into dy by dx equal to x plus 2y plus 1. So the given equation can be written as dy by dx equal to x plus 2y plus 1 by 2x plus 4y plus 3. So this can be written as x plus 2y plus 1 by, so taking 2 common, 2 into x plus 2y, that is 2x plus 4y plus 3. Now putting x plus 2y equal to v, so that one plus 2 into dy by dx equal to dv by dx, then 2 into dy by dx equal to dv by dx minus 1, then dy by dx equal to 1 by 2 into dv by dx minus 1, that is 1 by 2 into dv by dx minus 1 equal to x plus 2y is v plus 1 by 2v plus 3, then dv by dx minus 1 equal to 2 into v plus 1 by 2v plus 3, then dv by dx equal to 2 into v plus 1 by 2v plus 3 plus 1. By taking LCM we are getting 2v plus 3, that is 2v plus 2. So here 1 into 2v plus 3, 2v plus 3, so that is 2v plus 3. So 2v plus 2v, 4v, 2 plus 3 is 5, 2, so 4v plus 5 by 2v plus 3. Now separating the variables, v variables one side and x variables one side, that is 2v plus 3 by 4v plus 5 into dv equal to dx. Then this can be written as 1 by 2, taking 1 by 2 as common, that is 1 plus 1 by 4v plus 5. So again by taking LCM and solving this, we are getting 2v plus 3 by 4v plus 5. So this can be written as 1 by 2 into 1 plus 1 by 4v plus 5 into dv equal to dx. Then by integrating, that is 1 by 2 into integral of 1 into dv plus 1 by 2 into integral of 1 by 4v plus 5 into dv equal to integral of dx plus c. So here c is the integrating constant. So here 1 by 2 into integral of 1 into dv is v plus 1 by 2 into, so here taking 1 by 4 common, so this can be written as v plus 5 by 4, that is log of, so v plus 5 by 4, differentiation of v plus 5 by 4 is 1, so that log of 4v plus 5 equal to differentiation of 1 into dx is x plus c, that is 1 by 2 into v plus 1 by 8 into log of 4v plus 5 equal to x plus c. So here taking 1 by 8 as common, 4v, again 4 by 8 is 1 by 2 into v plus 1 by 8 into log of 4v plus 5 equal to x plus c. So this can be written as 4v plus log of 4v plus 5 equal to, taking 8 this side, 8x plus 8c. Then log of 4v plus 5 equal to 8x plus 8c minus this plus 4v this side minus 4v. Now we have x plus 2y equal to v. So substituting in place of v, we are x plus 2v. Log of 4 into x plus 2y plus 5 equal to 8x plus 8c minus 4 into x plus 2y. So that is log of 4x plus 8y plus 5 equal to 8x minus 4x plus 4x minus 4 into 2 minus 8y plus 8c. Then 4x plus 8y plus 5 equal to, so log, taking log this side, it get it exponential. So taking logarithm from this side to this side, this can be converted into exponential, that is e power. So here we have 4 into, here e power, exponential of e power 4x minus 8y plus 8c. So So this can be written as 4 into x minus e power a plus b can be written as e power a into e power b. So that 4x minus 8y e power 4 into, here we are taking 4 as common, e power 4 x minus 2y into e power 8z. Again by adding e power a plus e power b is e power a plus b. So 4x minus 8y plus we get 4x minus 8y plus 8c. Now 4x plus 8y plus 5 equal to, so here e power 8c is constant, that is c1 e power 4 x minus 12, where c1 equal to e power minus e power 8c. So this is the 4x plus 8y plus 5 equal to c1 into e power 4 into x minus 2y is the general solution of given problem. So these are the problems of homogeneous differential equations. So differential equations reducible to homogeneous form.